2 cup maida, little salt, refined oil for deep frying. I am using Sundrop. You can use any refined oil. You can also use ghee if you want to. Authentic luchi fried in ghee gives the best taste. Add 1 tablespoon oil into the maida. This is called moyen, and mix it with hand. This oil in maida makes the luchi crispy. Add a pinch of salt. Mix the salt. Now add little water and knead it slightly. Keep on adding water and keep kneading it. The dough should be little tight in texture. Keep on adding water slowly and keep kneading it. Repeat the process. Knead it well till you get a tight dough. Now you can see that the dough is almost done. Now the dough is ready. So I will divide the dough into lemon-sized balls. Take the ball and give it a round shape in this way. Slightly press and move your hand in the round motion. By pressing and moving your hand in a round motion, take little oil, stretch it this way to give it a round shape. It should be even in thickness. When it's done, you can deep fry it. Heat sufficient oil in pan. To check whether the oil is ready or not, put a small ball of maida. If it raises, that means it's done. Now I can put the luchi. See how it has raised. A perfect luchi is getting ready. It takes maximum 1 minute to fry each luchi. Fry it in medium heat. Now the luchi is absolutely ready to be served with sabzi of your choice.